Hello my friends, today is a great fall day, nice trees, and let's go outside for some shooting. Camera named Nikon D40. It is pretty cheap in our days, but still very good. On this camera I'm going to use Nikon 35mm 1.8G lens, and it's pretty. Let's start from these flowers, my friends. I'm going to use 1.8 aperture. I'm going to use A mode, that means aperture mode, and I'm going to use the center point for focusing. Let's do it. Look how nice is it. Let's find something more to shoot and do nice picture. Okay, let's move a little forward. It should be something nice. Great. Probably it is exactly what we need. I find a nice place and let's make more shots there. For making landscape shots I will use a different setting. I will use aperture like 1.7. Okay, the same aperture priority mode. Aperture is 1.7, and let's do some shots. Okay, and a little more. I will move a little more forward and find another place to make photos. Great. Again, it is what we need. So I will use the same camera settings. It is aperture priority mode and aperture f8. That's okay. Let's do some shots. So my friends, let's summarize. For making blurry background I'm using wide open aperture like 1.8, and for making a sharp background I'm using closed aperture like 7.1 or 8. That's make a good effect on your pictures. See you, have a great shooting.